Hey guys, ArchieLuxury on an Emirates 777. I'm just talking watches and drinking coffee. Talking watches and drinking coffee. In business class on Emirates. Hey guys, just had the postman at my door. And I thought I'd do a bit of an unboxing. You people seem to love the unboxing, so I'll get my skizzers. No fancy blades or knives here. No fancy blades or knives here. I just used some school kids' scissors. Let's get this fucker opened up here. Ciao, fuckers! Ciao. No fancy. Okay, so let's open this up. Da-da-da-da. What have I been buying? Well, I've been buying a lot of Patek stuff. I do love my Patek Philippe. I've been buying a lot of Patek stuff. Why have I been doing that? Why indeed? That's a very, very good question. Ooh. What a smell. This has got a real... Yeah, I just like to stock up on Patek boxes because I love my Patek Philippe. I love my Patek Philippe, my Grand Classique from Patek Philippe. Okie dokie da 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 da. Wowzers, fuckers. Patek. Now it is missing the inner part. Oh wow. Da 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 da. That's the newer type with the suede interior. So there you go. Very, very interesting indeed there. There you go. It's Patek Philippe, a Grand Classique from Patek Philippe. So it's an interesting box. So, okay. Let me see if the other insert will fit in here. Let's have a look. So I got an older one. Okay. Let's have a look. We'll just have a look. So I'm going to pull out this insert here, this tray. Oh, fuck. Oh no, it fits. It fits. It fits. Wowzers. It does fit. Very cool. Very cool. So, yeah, I just got myself a Patek Philippe. There we go. That's my Patek box. Why did I buy it? Well, no, I tell you why I bought it. Okay, it was missing. It's missing the inner part, but it was on Fleabay. It was on Fleabay. And I thought, why not just buy it? You know, it's sort of it's a cool. A spare Patek box is still a spare. It's still a Patek box. You know what I mean? And I kind of, I mean, you can loosely put your watch inside there, can't you? You know, you can sort of put them inside like that, can you? You know, it just, it's still a Patek Philippe box, just doesn't have the inner part. So, yeah, interesting, a little bit of a bummer, but I didn't pay a lot of money for this box. I actually got it very cheap. So, I'm quite happy with it, very happy with it. yeah, I'm very happy to have the box. Look, it's cool to have. I mean, look, I like to add boxes to my. It's a Patek box, you know. It's Patek Philippe. Patek Philippe. It's a Grand Classique from Patek Philippe. I like to have a couple spare boxes. Nothing wrong with them. I mean, look, it's missing the inner insert. I know it's a bit. Fuck this. Fuck this. Fucked I from the Latin to be fucked. But it's still a Patek box. Still a very nice Patek Philippe box. So, yeah, I don't mind that. You don't mind it. I don't mind it. So, yeah, it's all cool. It's all really, really cool. So, yeah, I gotta tell you, man, it's cool. It's cool. I'm happy. I'm happy. I bought it. I got it cheap. But it's always a good spare to have. It's a nice Patek box to have. I got this fucking really cheap. So yeah, I'm okay with it. I'm okay. I think that was pretty damn good buying. So there you go, guys. That's a little bit of a Patek Philippe unboxing. I sort of keep an eye out for these boxes. I mean, I know the inner insert's missing, yada yada yada, but hey, that's not the end of the world. So yeah, that's how it goes. Okay, guys, I'm Paul Pluta. Tell me what you fuckaroonies think of that. David SW. David SW. David SW. Who does ArchieLuxury recommend is the greatest grey market dealer in America? There's only one choice. David SW. That's right, guys. I've got to tell you the honest truth. I have for a long time been looking for the perfect answer. Who do I recommend people go to see? Who do I recommend that people can go and buy watches? And I've got to be honest with you. The greatest pre-owned dealer for Rolex, Patek Philippe, Audemars Piguet is David SW. David SW. David SW. DavidSW.com. That's right, guys. I have been looking for a contact who I can very nicely refer people to. I am not in the selling business. Customer service, I'm too old to sell watches. I'm too old. I like to recommend my viewers to a reliable source. In Australia, I've got some great sources. There's Sydney Watch Exchange with Cove, Ronnie at Vintage Watch Co, Shani at European Watch Gallery. And in America, who is the best source for pre-owned Rolex? For all the hot models? There's only one person I would recommend, David SW. David SW, David SW. That is the premier source for pre-owned Rolex. I gotta be completely frank and honest with you. Guys, if you are looking for a hot Rolex model, there is only one place you can go to. David SW. David SW. David SW. Let's be honest, guys. There's no point schmoozing the dealers, the ADs. They're just a waste of time. Unless you're going to buy 20 pieces, you are wasting your time. What you're better off to do is pay the market premium and go to a good pre-owned dealer. Who do I recommend? David SW. David SW. David SW. That's correct, guys. I want to tell you this now. I 100% stand behind David SW. David SW, the greatest pre-owned dealer in the entire United States of America. That's right. The greatest pre-owned dealer for Rolex, for Patek Philippe, for Audemars Piguet, David SW. He even does things like FP Journe. David SW. David SW. David SW. That's right. If you want to buy a pre-owned Rolex, a Patek Philippe, Audemars Piguet. There's only one good source I would recommend. David SW. David SW. David SW. I'm Paul Pluta, the method actor who plays Archibald Chesterfield III, and I'm proud to recommend David SW. See you later. Thank you for watching this channel.
Oh. Hey Archie Luxury fans, if you're into luxury, then you gotta be into 66 Buick Rivieras. Check out my son and I, Alex, as we restore this beautiful 66 Buick.
Neighbors are having a picnic, you know, having fun and stuff. Me, I'm doing cars. It's what I've done my whole life.